Welcome to my channel. If you are not new, welcome back. I am Ashley Michelle, and as you can tell by the title, we're doing a hair video, okay? So this is, you know what, all of the specs for this hair, all of the details on this hair is going to be in the description box. But right here, I was just, finishing up the quick install. I wasn't really being too anal on like my lace not showing because of how I was going to style it. So here you see me just trying to get my part together, and I ended up changing it back anyway, but whatever. So yeah, I'm just trying to get my part together so that my swoop will look, you know, elite. So yeah, and you see how this wig looks like. You can see like, quote unquote scalp. I don't even have on a wig cap, but that's the crazy part. Like, I don't have on a wig cap. I just threw this joint on top of my straight bags, and it still looks really good. So yes, right here for the next couple of minutes, seconds, hours, years, I'm just gonna be trying to get this part together.
The schedule busy, my dad in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tussies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me, and she had it done, so she got a Mercedes. Your money records, the Army, the Navy, it ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these, they sweeter than Sadie when I started.
Alright, so I was settling with this as my part. Not settling because it was still cute, but this is what my part was looking like. I basically just took a section out of the front and pushed all of their other hair back, as you saw already. And now I'm just taking this got to be gel, and I'm just going to put that all over the section that I have basically isolated and parted off. So this is going to be my swoop, and for the next couple of seconds, I'm just going to be gelling it down, going in between, make sure that everything is slicked down, so when I brush it, it's, it's going to be giving. Just a little FYI, if y'all wanted to know, the little comb that I'm using to further smooth down my swoop is called a cut comb. I got it from the hair store. It was like a pack of 2 for like $1, but it's a cut comb. So the what do they call it? Like the teeth or whatever. They're really close together. They're meant for like when you're cutting hair, you want it all to be even and straight and smooth together, I'm assuming. So yes.
The schedule busy, my dad in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tussies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me, and she had it done, so she got a Mercedes. Your money records, the Army, the Navy, it ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they
Now I'm just taking some bobby pins and I'm gonna make sure that I pin down my swoop so that it don't go nowhere, so that it stays put. And it already looks so cute. Like, it looked like it's giving me swoop ponytail vibes, and I love doing those on myself. But whatever. This is really cute though. Like, the swoop really look nice. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got no waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna do what I do, tryna steal my moves. 500 for a blue pair of tennis shoes. The same price that make the rest gonna finish you. But they been charged, he'll do it like a... So I'm taking this Garnier Sleek and Shine to prep my hair for flat ironing and yeah. Crazy, they know I'm the truth, coming straight from the basement. I'm straight as a street, but I'm far from the pavement. $1 million, $100, make them go crazy. Tell him I told no starch, please. Soon as I even come, leave. Got M's in the back like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going off the way. When you're living like that, they support the head. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell him I told no starch, please. Soon as I even come, leave. Got M's in the back like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going off the way. When you're living like that, they support the head. The schedule busy, my dad in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Texas. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me, and she had it done, so she got a Mercedes. No money records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they... Betray me. Tell them I close no starch, please. Soon as I don't leave, got M's in the back like yes, indeed. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them I close no starch, please. Soon as I don't leave, got M's in the back like yes, indeed. Y'all are gonna see me do this a lot during this video because it was a piece of hair that just would not lay down in the back, and it was annoying me so bad. Like, I couldn't get it to like lay the way that I wanted it to lay at first, so I had to like really try and like press it, but it was not working at first. Tell them I told no starch, please. Soon as I even come, leave. Got M's in the back like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going off the way. When you're living like that, they support the head. So now I'm just going in and I'm snipping off just a little bit of the end so that it's even to the other side. Me and my dog going off the way. When you're living like that, they support the head. The schedule busy, my dad in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Texas. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me, and she had it done, so she got a Mercedes. No money records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they... Betray me. Tell them I close no starch, please. Soon as I don't leave, got M's in the back like yes, indeed. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them I close no starch. So I added in this little clip I got from TJ Maxx, and it's so cute. It came in a really big pack of them. I got other ones that look different, and I'll try to put in the video where I got a different clip on from that pack. So yeah, so here I'm just making sure that my little what are these called? Side pieces, sideburns. I'm just making sure that they're even, and you're gonna see me cut one and just right now. And yeah, I really think that these are cute. You know, some people don't think they're cute. I think they're freaking adorable. So, to each his own. Don't come for me in the comments. And here we are, basically done. The rest of the video is just me being cute, feeling myself, and feeling being a cute person. So if you want to watch and stay for that, feel free. You know, this is why I'm here. But if you don't, understand, it's fine. I just want to make sure I say now, thank you so much for watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't do any of the other two, make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell. And stay tuned for the next one. This is that quarantine content, so it's gonna definitely be a next one very, very, very soon.
My shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Texas. But for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me. And she had it done, so she got a Mercedes. With my new records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie.